and welcome to this episode number 65 of Let's Talk About Options from the Option School. And I'm Pradeep Singla. And today we'll let us analyze the markets. Important day. Tomorrow we have expiry for the markets. And then there is an upcoming big event which will decide what will happen to the market and what will happen to our trades. Hope my voice is audible. Can anybody please confirm if my voice is audible or not? Okay, is it audible? Uh, we have Mr. Sam Kamarkar, Mr. Sushil Kanwar, Mr. Prem Obrai, Mr. Gaurav Kalra, Mr. Shankar. Uh, yes, so thanks, Mr. Shankar and Mr. Sushil and Mr. Varun for confirming. Okay, let us see. Let's straightway go to markets and let us see how markets are behaving today. Okay, if I go to Nifty and let me refresh this. Here is market. 10736, which is 50 points plus, right? So if we analyze these markets uh, at 10,700, let me take okay. Now if you see at 10,700, we have open interest at put side as 32 lakh 52,000 and open interest on call side as 29 lakh 39,000. If you see change in open interest for today, on call side it is 3 lakh 9,000, on put side huge change, 19 lakh 86,000. 19 lakh 86,000 puts are written so far, and it's still not uh, it's almost half a day of the market, right? So this is something really serious. 19 lakh 86,000 puts written at 10,700. After this has happened, now we are seeing that okay, open interest on 10,700 put side and open interest on 10,700 call side is very much similar, uh, roughly around 30 lakhs, maybe a gap of 2 lakhs or 2 lakh 50,000 here and there. So 10,700 is a level we must be watchful. The way put writing is increasing, uh, market can suddenly go up. But we have seen in past also, first half of the day markets are behaving in one direction. Second half of the day market totally goes away in different direction. But notwithstanding anything of that sort, we are on Wednesday today, and tomorrow is expiry. So I will suggest all November trades, if they are already profitable in these kind of scenarios when it is not very clear whether market will make a jump towards 750 or 800 levels, or whether it will withdraw towards 600 levels. I don't see market going below 600, because 600 is highest open interest. There is lot of put writing happening at 700. So chances of market going below 600 are less, but still you never know, right? Still there is a day, and still there is an evening after market hours also. So anything can happen. So best thing is, uh, good option seller at least does not continue his trades till expiry. If you are already profitable or not so profitable, less profit, still it makes a lot of sense to scare off the trades and get out of these trades, because uh, even if nobody wanted market to go up yesterday and today, still market is going in one direction only. It is plus 50 points today also, right? So and on upside, if you calculate 10,800 versus 10,600, so 10,700 becomes a level wherein markets can hold on. But now the way things are changing in the market, the way 20 lakh puts are written in half a day, that makes it really difficult to judge that okay, whether can we make a uh, further move towards 10,700 and go towards 10,800. So that is something we should be very cautious about. And there is hardly any money left right now. 10,800 is hardly 11 rupees 80 paisa, and if you see 10,600 is 8 rupees 9 rupees. So beyond these, all these positions, which is 10,700, which is 28 rupees, 10,700 on call side is 56 57 rupees. This premium is very difficult to uh, capture even for a very professional option trader without taking a substantial risk. right? Without taking a substantial risk, you cannot get this kind of a premium in your kitty. So it makes sense. So from this analysis, I can see markets 10,600 versus 10,800, maximum pain at around 10,650. So what we can expect from the market is that market may expire somewhere at 10,700 plus minus 50 points. But you can never be sure of these things on last day. We can be pretty sure that okay, today's market range can be between plus minus 50 points from 700, maybe plus minus 60 70 points from 700. But you cannot be sure on last day, because last day is no analysis will work, and it will be an open day for anybody. So you can have a big fall in the opening, you can have a gap up in the opening, or in the end also we can see a movement of 100 200 points here and there. So that is why I'm saying it is always better, if you have done some trades for the whole month, if you're a positional trader and your trades are giving you profit, there is no fun in sitting for last few 20 30 rupees of premium or 10 20 rupees of premium. It's always better to book profit, because profit which is booked is your profit. Profit which is shown on screen is not your profit, right? Mr. Big Magical says, what about 10,600 call? Now it all depends. You see, 10,600 call is now 135 rupees as per this screen. Market is roughly around 730 or 735. So there's hardly anything left. Even if you're a buyer, please go ahead and book your profit. And if you're a seller, uh, please go ahead and avoid any further loss. So my request is that okay, do not uh, keep your trades till the end, and become unnecessarily susceptible to any huge moves in the market here and there. Right, there's a big event also coming, so let us talk about that also. But as of now, this market seems to be expiring from plus minus 50 points from 700. But all these things are you can say sort of a guesswork. From whatever data we are seeing, it seems that okay, 700 plus minus 50 is okay. But then the way data changes nowadays, you can see 20 lakh puts written, 90 lakh 86,000 puts created at 10,700 today, which is a very big number. So if these kind of things are happening in the market, so any level is not protected level. I cannot say that okay, it cannot go beyond 10,000, 10,800 also, because tomorrow, if you see 25 lakh ports written at 10,800, even 10,800 can be breached. So it is always better to be safe. As of now, I will say, uh, if you have November trades, do not take undue risk. If they are pretty much hedged, uh, then you can keep it till tomorrow. But if they are not hedged, or if they are already having some profit, it is always better to book your profits in that, right? So as of now, market still 10,742, which is 57 points plus. So may not be a very good scenario for most of us, because nobody expected markets to go with this speed, right? Uh, let's talk about Bank Nifty also for few. Okay, you have any questions? And Mr. Barun says, can I sell 10,800 call and 10,600 put? I think it will give us 20 points. It will give us 20 points, Barun. That is a good thing. But I will say, if you're working for 20 points, then let us keep a stop loss. Maybe uh, if 10,800 is 11 rupees, keep a stop loss at 21, 22 rupees. So there can be a knee-jerk movement in any direction because of expiry. So suddenly, if market, let us say, goes towards 10,800, and your 10,800 in itself becomes 40, 45 rupees, these 20 rupees will not save you, right? I'm saying you can do that, but then keep a solid stop loss. You must keep a stop loss of 22, 23 rupees, right? And as far as Bank Nifty is there, 26539. If you see the open interest data, it's already 26,500. So this is what I'm saying. Although highest open interest is at 26,500, already it has breached that and still working on that. And you are seeing a huge amount of put writing happening on Bank Nifty also. So now these things on expiry nowadays become very vulnerable, and you can have huge amounts of uh, put writings or call writings in any direction happening. Many times we have seen that, right? So if you see, many times this is, just hold on. I'm getting a, okay. Now the amount of puts written on this side, 4,29,000, 4,20,000. This is roughly 20 lakhs, right? These four positions have added almost 20 lakh puts in half a day's session. And on this side, if you see, these four five positions, 3 plus 2 plus 4 is roughly around 14 to 15 lakhs. So although everything is very strong, 26,500 is very strong, but a sudden movement in any direction can breach any levels. So for option sellers especially, for option buyers it's not an opportunity, because you see, whatever is the premium, that will melt like anything if market doesn't move. So there can be two things: whether market is going to move or whether market is not going to move, which is very difficult to tell, right? So for option buyers, there is not much of a scope. For option sellers also, we are, although you're getting 68 rupees and 156 rupees at 26,600, but you never know. Expiries can be really surprising. So it's always better, close your trades and do not take undue risk on expiry. As of now, it seems that okay, Bank Nifty should go back towards 26,500, although it is already 26,539. So there can be a bit of a downside on Bank Nifty from here. But my only request is, please take adequate precaution and do not uh, continue your trades till last. The biggest mistake whenever we have lost money, biggest mistake is we are keeping our trades till the end. That really becomes a dangerous thing, right? Uh, Okay, Shankar, nowadays even the retail has started writing good amount of options. Would you consider them as smart traders? You see, very difficult to say. Everybody is smart nowadays, right? So you are a smart trader if you are not taking undue risk. Whether you are a retail trader, whether you are organized trader, whether you are plan trader, I will say you are a smart trader if you are taking trades where you are not taking any undue risk, right? Collective amount of retail writing is, yeah, that's a good number nowadays. Everybody wants to write calls and puts and make money, but then the underlying risk one must understand before doing these things, and you must have a plan in place that okay, what will I do if something wrong happens? Because why I'm saying these things today, because this is the month when you should not think of rolling over your positions to next month, to be honest with you. Rolling over can be really dangerous, because we are seeing an upcoming event which can swing the market to any direction. That way, uh, already you see, you generally roll over position when your positions are stressed out in this month, and already stressed out positions will get further stressed out in case market makes a move against you. So that is why I will say, very a smart trader will definitely close his trades today, and maybe in the early morning trading hours of tomorrow, uh, without losing any substantial money, or rather booking his profits. And Mr. Varun says, you have 2600 call long and 2600, 500 and 400 call short. So what is happening now, right? 2600 long may not be having any premium now. 26,000, sorry, 26,000 call is now, Varun, worth 511 rupees. It's already a discount. Market is 26,539. So already 28 rupees discount, and 26,500 is having good premium, 26,400. So if market makes a jump from here, maybe 26,007 onwards, you will start losing. If you're making money, why don't you book your profit, right? Uh, Sushil says, I'm very new in options for December. Both call put premium are going to increase before result. Yes, that is what any normal trader will expect, right? All of us are expecting that okay, because they on 12th of December there will be counting for three states, and then because of that, implied volatility should increase. Because of that, option premium should increase, right? That is normal thinking. But market makers think one step ahead of us. So if we think that okay, on 12th of December it is a sure short formula that okay, now I buy call and put and definitely it will make money. But consider another point, between 12th of December and between 29th of November there are still 13 days, and there will be a 13 days of theta decay. So there is a very good chance that okay, you buy something on 29th of November and by 5th of December you get frustrated because already there is a loss of 50-60 rupees in that. Right. So let me talk about some of the precautions we need to take if we really want to take this event in a healthy way. Right. So there is an event on 12th December. What is the event? We will be getting election results for all the three states. Maybe before that also we will be getting some exit polls and something like that. Right. So what are the various possibilities? You see, let us say the ruling party loses, then everybody will start saying that okay, the chances of their winning in 2019 general elections get reduced, and then market may fall by 200, 500 points. Let's say they win the elections, maybe in two states out of three, maybe in all three, maybe in one, and they will say that okay, their wave is still on, and market may go up by 200, 500 points. Or there can be a knee-jerk reaction because what happens is that okay, two states are won by BJP, one state by Congress, or two states by Congress, one state by BJP. So there is no clear mandate in one state, or something like that happens, and nobody knows that okay whether this is a signal for 2019 elections or not. Right? Even if BJP losing, market can still go up. Even if Congress losing, market can still go down. Right? So just we all retail customers, we do not know anything what is in the mind of big players. Right? The expectation is that okay, if Congress wins, BJP loses, market should go down, but reverse of this can also happen. Right? There can be a knee-jerk reaction. Maybe in one state counting is done, in other state counting is still pending. One state BJP is winning, market will suddenly go up by 200 300 points, and suddenly the second state BJP starts losing, market again comes down and go down to. So it can be a very volatile day. So we need to be very cautious on what kind of trades we are doing, right? So these kind of days, I have seen many times. If we are not well prepared for these kind of days, and we are expecting that okay, this is the day when I'm going to make a lot of money, the reverse of that many times happens. Instead of making a lot of money because of panic, because of stress, because of volatility in the market, you end up losing a lot of money in these kind of eventful days, right? So what are the risks involved? You play for upside. You play for upside means maybe you purchase a call or sell a put or something like that you do, and market falls or remains stable. This can be a losing. You suppose you have purchased a call. Already IVs are still high. They may become further high. They may not go up also. You never know, right? And then market falls. So most of your money uh, for buying of call goes. Suppose you sell a put. In case you sell a put and market suddenly falls, it can be a difficult situation to handle. You play for down, so you think that okay, market will go down, so you are playing a directional trade. And then again, if market goes reverse of that, that will be a challenge, right? And let us say you say that okay, maybe out of two three states, one state will be a hung parliament, one state won by BJP, one state going to Congress, and then market may not react. This may also happen, and you play for stable market, but then still market swings, and then during the swing of the market, because you are watching the market, you will again have some panic reactions, and you take some steps, and that really makes it difficult for you to adjust your position, right? So these are the different kind of risks involved. We have seen earlier also in these kind of events. Sometimes there is no logic in the prices also. Sometimes the markets are moving so fast that even if you want to do something, you're not able to do something. So what kind of precautions you should take? First and foremost precaution, why we are doing this video today, why we are not doing it tomorrow, although expiry was tomorrow, we are doing it today. Please do not roll over. This may not be a normal month. Even if you are required to roll over your November positions to December, I will say as far as possible, avoid that. Even if you have rolled over, uh, Do not keep them open or do not keep them fully hedged uh, beyond 4th or 5th of December. I do not enter into those positions thinking that okay, this will be a normal month and I can get over to these positions by rolling over and then making some money. That can be pretty difficult. Do not roll over, close your positions. Maybe we can create new positions on 12th or 13th of December also, right? Never trade with unlimited risk strategies. So what are these unlimited risk strategies? Strategies like short straddle, strategies like short strangle, wherein in case market really swings to any direction, you see, it can be for very short term also, and ultimately it can cover up. But then by that time, maybe your positions will get scared off because of n reasons, because of our own actions, or maybe because of action of my broker, maybe because of shortage of margin. There can be many reasons, even if you do not want to close positions because of a big reactive mode of the market, because of a huge volatility, positions may get scared off, which is again not a good situation to be. So do not trade with any kind of unlimited risk. Even if you're getting a huge premium in straddle or strangle, I will say avoid these events with unlimited risk strategies. You can use limited risk strategies. What are limited risk strategies? Limited risk is can be a butterfly, can be a well managed iron condor, can be a bear call spread, can be a bull put spread, where the risk is very, very limited. Uh, Anything happening to market even moving by 1,000 points, you are least bothered about, right? And if you are playing for particular direction, many times people say, I really want to play it on upside. I will buy some futures or I will buy some calls. Uh, Keep a plan ready that, okay, in case uh, it doesn't work in your direction, then what will you do? Suppose you have purchased calls worth, let's say, 25,000 rupees, and market doesn't go up or market starts falling. Do you have a plan ready that, okay, how you are going to recover that 25,000 rupees? That becomes very, very important. Suppose you are playing for a big fall of the market and maybe you are buying puts or you are selling futures. In case market goes up, what is the point wherein you will close your positions? What is the plan you are adopting so that you can uh, get your money back from the market? Because even after 12th there will be many days available even in the December series to cover whatever is the loss because of a directional strategy. If possible, if you do not have a right plan in place, I will say avoid trading for next few days. Nothing is going away, markets will be there even after the event. So if the plan, proper plan, you see, you must do the risk analysis. What is the risk in your strategy, right? People who have done workshops, they must be knowing what kind of strategies they must be doing in these kind of events. Hopefully they know that we have already discussed in the workshop what kind of trading strategy you must be doing. I would say do not do combo 1, combo 2 in these periods. uh, Maybe you can go ahead and establish a combo 2 at on December 12th or December 13th. But as of now, maybe something deep in the money which we have discussed in our workshops, you need to initiate, and those kind of trades are pretty good trades are available even right now. You can do them today also because they are almost as good as zero risk trades, whatever happens to the market. Hopefully you people have got it. Right. Okay. Sandhya says on long strangle, the IV has never come down below 15. Do we need to accept revised IVs? Yes, because the structure has changed, Sandhya, for the market. So I would not say IV of 2022, but if IV is 16, 17, uh, uh, you can go ahead with a long strangle. Only thing is, now do not go for a long strangle. It can be pretty costly, right? And short channel should not be traded now. I have formed two for December expiry. If not much of a damage is done, Sandhya, try to close those short strangles latest by maybe by 4th or 5th of December. Do not continue with short strangles. They can be really stressful. I'm not saying they will give you a loss, but they can be really stressful if market really moves in one direction. Suppose in a worst scenario, I'm saying let's say Congress wins in all three states, we can see a very big fall in the market. Or on other side, BJP wins in all three states. We can see market touching 11,600, 700 also. And it will not give you much time to adjust. Not that, okay, you cannot survive after that. You can still get out of the trades with proper adjustments. But then it will not give you time to adjust, at least during that day. And then it becomes a real painful trade, which you need to carry for a pretty long time to cover back your losses. So that is why short strangle is an unlimited loss strategy. If you are doing a short strangle, better is do a iron counter so that you know the risk is very, very limited, right? Please suggest any option plan for the event, Baron. May not be possible at this platform because it's such a public platform. And earlier, whenever we have done such things, we have seen that have been really, really copied here and there, right? So, people who have attended our workshop, I think they must be knowing which plans I am talking about. Something we discussed in the workshop, something deep in the money you have to do, right? Hopefully, people who have done the workshop, they have understanding what is that. If they're not understanding, they can uh, maybe get in touch to their WhatsApp groups or maybe the groups which are formed during the workshop, and get it explained from your friends who were there in the workshop, right? They are already there, Sandhya. Okay, hopefully you have understood. See them, I think you have also done the workshop, so you must be understanding what kind of trading, and those trades are available even today, right? Those trades are available even today. So go ahead and see what trades I'm talking about and start executing those trades. So even if market goes down by 1,000 points or goes up by 1,000 points, we have nothing to worry and we will still be making a lot of money. Even if market is not volatile, we are not going to lose anything, right? Thanks, Mr. Arif Kumar, for suggesting a like for us. So definitely your likes encourage us to do these workshops, right? You can connect to us for our workshops. So there are some numbers. I'm going to share those numbers, but please, please, for I'm hopefully you understand what are the risks involved in these kind of days and what are the precautions you must be doing. Uh, you must be taking care of your trades really well because these kind of events I have seen many accounts which are small accounts getting wiped out just because you become panic because of the volatile moves of the market. We do not want that. We do not want that to happen. So uh, trust me, this is not an event where you can make tons of money, rather you can lose tons of money. So we be very, very cautious. Trade into those strategies where you think there is hardly any risk, right? So we have our next workshop coming up, option strategies workshop, wherein myself, Pradeep Singla, and my partner Sunny Malhotra will be there. It is happening on 8th and 9th of December in Noida, and you can learn how to trade without predictions and gambling. Definitely 8th and 9th of December is before 12th, and I do think it on those days also we will give you the event strategies which can be executed on 10th, and you can take benefit of 12th event also, right? Uh, contact numbers are given 958-285-3463, 9717-274138. You can contact us on these numbers and book your place in the workshop, right? I'm again giving these contact numbers, and uh, it's first come first serve basis, so you can get some early bird discounts also if you enroll quickly for this workshop, right? If you have any questions, I'm still there for next uh, few minutes. Please go ahead and ask your questions. And about workshop, if you have any questions, you can always contact us at info@the option school, or you can contact us on any of the numbers given on the screen. Right? Sandhya says I'm interested in advanced strategy workshop. Sandhya, I will say let's work on normal strategies for at least 6 months. I know. That shows me you're making a lot of money from whatever normal strategies we learned in the workshop. Is it, Sandhya? Right? So let us continue the good work maybe for another 6 months because advanced workshop is really advanced and becomes sometimes difficult, right? So you are saying there are few of us. Definitely we can consider that, but then anybody who wants to enroll for a advanced work is very, very advanced actually. Although our normal workshop is also pretty advanced, so you may not require more strategies than that. But advanced workshop is for somebody who wants to take it as a full-time profession, and we do conduct a test before enrolling people for advanced workshop. So if few people are interested, Sandhya, definitely you can be touch with Ritu ma'am. She can always schedule an advanced workshop also, right? uh, but definitely anybody coming for advanced workshop, he has to attend the first workshop in itself is, I will say, more than sufficient. If you are putting up less than 25-30 lakh rupees of money in the markets, the normal workshop is pretty good. Advanced workshop is somebody who really want to scale up. He needs to diversify his strategies, and maybe he wants to become a full-time trader because uh, it's really advanced, right, Sandhya? Okay, so thanks to all of you. Please do not forget to like this video and share this video to somebody who think would be benefited by this. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comment section. Within few minutes, this video will be uploaded on our channel. And do share this video with whomsoever you want to do. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. What we have done, we have started asking you some basic option questions and some strategy questions on our community section, right? Hopefully people who have subscribed and who have pressed that bell icon, every day they may be getting a new question, because that helps you to revise all your concepts. So we'll keep on doing that every day. We'll keep on posting new questions, and you can see the results most of the time. The question, the choice which has been selected by most of the people is the correct choice. And definitely one day we'll take up all the questions in one of the videos and give you the correct explanation also. But as of now, we are finding we are getting very good explanations in the comment section. So that is really learning for all of us. So we'll keep on posting strategy questions, basic questions on that section. So keep an eye on that community section. I think once you are subscribed and once you have pressed that bell icon, every time you get that question, please do not forget to answer that question. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask those queries in the comment section. We'll be able to reply that, right? Varun Kumar, Mr. Varun says, do you have any pen drive course? What does that mean, Mr. Varun? Pen drive course means will everything will be given to you in a pen drive, is it? That's what I understand, right? Sorry for my lack of knowledge on what is a pen drive course. Uh, we have all these strategies. You can buy a PDF file. You can go to our website www.theoptionschool.in, wherein you can buy this PDF files also, right? So take care of your trades. Let us be safe rather than sorry. Do not try to play these events. You see blindly. These events can be really dangerous, or nothing may happen. But then it's our duty to take good care of our own money. Right? Nobody else is going to do that. Okay. If you don't have any questions, thanks for joining, and maybe see you tomorrow or day after. Right? Have a great day. Thanks for joining.